scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus students, we are finding the derivative of an inverse function today. This quick method helps you solve for g prime of pi quickly. First, we must recall the official inverse derivative formula. It states that g prime of pi equals 1 divided by f prime of g of pi. Let's write that down clearly. Next, we look at our table to find the value of g of pi. Since g is the inverse of f, we see that g of pi equals 4. That is easy. Find f prime of 4 in the table, which is pi over 3. Taking the reciprocal gives 3 over pi. Option B is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent sign errors and always trust given table values for steps.